Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to submit a grievance to income tax for a refund. First, you'll need to clearly identify the specific reason for your refund grievance, such as a delayed refund or an incorrect assessment. Next, gather all necessary documents, including your tax return, Form 1099, and relevant bank statements. Finally, familiarize yourself with the income tax e-filing portal, which is the primary platform for submitting grievances. This preparation ensures a smooth process. When preparing your grievance, it's crucial to ensure that all details on your tax return precisely match your refund claim. You must provide clear and concise evidence of any overpayment or incorrect tax assessment. This could include bank statements showing tax deductions, or communication from the tax department. Organize all supporting documents, such as Form 26 as and acknowledgement numbers, in a logical manner for easy review by the tax authorities. Accuracy here is key to a successful resolution. To submit your grievance, begin by logging into the income tax e-filing portal using your credentials. If you're not registered, you'll need to do so first. Once logged in, navigate to the Grievances or e-Nivarans section, typically found under a Help Desk or Contact Us menu. Here, you'll select Submit Grievance and choose the relevant department, such as CPCITR for refund issues. Carefully fill out the online form, providing a detailed description of your issue and attaching any supporting documents. After submitting your grievance, you will receive a unique reference or acknowledgement number. It is vital to note this number down, as it's your key to tracking the status of your complaint. Regularly check the income tax e-filing portal under the grievance status section for updates. The department typically aims to resolve grievances within 1 to 2 months. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more. Stay proactive in monitoring your grievance for a timely resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.